In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check test mode logs in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard. Before you review any logs, confirm that you are in the correct Stripe account or workspace. This is important if you manage more than one account, since logs are tied to the specific account you are viewing. Next, switch to the sandbox environment that you want to inspect. Stripe keeps test activity and live activity separate, so you need to verify that you are looking at sandbox data and not your live environment. Take a moment to confirm that test mode is active before moving forward. Once you are in the correct sandbox environment, go to the left side navigation menu and click Developers. Inside the Developers section, open Logs. This area shows the API requests that Stripe has recorded for your sandbox environment. You will now see a list of requests. Review the entries and use the request type, status, and timestamp to help locate the specific test request you want to inspect. This makes it easier to match a log entry to the action or transaction you were testing. When you find the correct request, click on it to open the full log details. In this detailed view, you can examine exactly what happened during that API call. Start by reviewing the API request information so you can see which action was sent to Stripe. This will tell you whether the request completed successfully or failed. If you need to reference the request later, locate the request ID. This can be useful when tracking a specific API event or when sharing details with your team. After that, review the request parameters or request body. This section shows the data that was sent to Stripe. Then look at the response body to see the information that Stripe returned. Comparing the request and response can help you verify that your test behaved as expected. If the request failed, look closely at the error details in the log. Stripe will often display the error message, error type, or error code. These details can help you understand what went wrong and what needs to be corrected in your test setup or API call. Finally, confirm one more time that the log entry belongs to your sandbox environment and matches the test transaction or API action you intended to verify. Once that is done, you have successfully checked your Stripe test mode logs and reviewed the request and response details. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.